iPad 3 digitizer connector repair. These are a pain in the arse. Pain. I've got some foil tape over here this time, and I capped on it pretty good. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna start on the side. I'm just gonna burn it up and melt the fuck out of it. Problem are the end posts. Those are the biggest problems with these damn things. Do these things slide off? I wonder. Anyways, let me get this thing off first, and then we'll talk later. Ugh, burn my finger. I'm not saying a whole lot because I'm fucking tired. It's late. Anyways, I'm not sure what to do, to be honest with you. With the end posts, that's my thing. It's a pain in the arse to get the end posts. Pain in the arse, you say? Waiting for it to heat up. So normally I can probably just heat it from below. You know, if it's iPad 2, you can heat from below and it just kind of syncs together. But for this one, there's actually, I believe there are components below here, so you can't heat it from the bottom. Let me double check. See that? There's another shield down here, and then there's components down there, so you can't really heat it from over there. So what my plan is, let me get a connector out real quick. And I am going to experiment today. So here's my connector. And the question is, how do I get this post on here to anchor to the hair, right? That's the hardest part. I mean, one of my ideas was to use some goot wick and some goot wick strands, and let's try this first, see if this works. And just use some lead-free solder, and just kind of solidify it like that. You know, that was one of my plans. I don't know if that's going to work or not, because solder melts on this pretty easily. Yeah, your pipes go like this, you know. But I don't know how strong it's going to be. I really don't know how strong it's going to be. So this is lead-free solder, and this is, so maybe like that. I think I might want to use a stronger braid though, because this is way too thin. And see, it's already broken. Yeah, that's no good. Alright, so that's not great. Let's use some higher gauge wire that doesn't. This is not going to work. Okay, let's go to plan B. Second plan was to use some lead free or low melt, melt it and place it. Let's try that. So this is low melt. That should be enough. So and this low melt is not the strongest shit, but it should be enough to hold the posts, you know. I hope. So let's tin these too, just for. All right, so let's tin these with low melt as well. All right. Now let's go to 216 Celsius on my hot air gun, and here's what I'm gonna do. Melt first and then place it after. I think I might need a little more. 280. I think my hot air gun is not calibrated correctly. Yep, it's kind of burning already, so it's not the best idea. mean, even low melt will melt the tab, so it's kind of a futile thing. I mean, even low melt, you know. It's not hot enough. Let's turn up the air pressure. Alright, let's go to 15, and we will blow it. Any more and it burns. God damn it. Nope. So, what's next? Low melt doesn't work. So this thing is gonna burn. I think I probably have to replace this anyways. Dang. I guess we can go back to step 1 maybe. Or I wonder if I can, cap on it. That's not gonna work. So what do I even do? I don't even know. 20 minutes on this already. Let's see. Let's try iron. Since it's low melt, maybe this will not burn the thing. Hey, that actually worked, I think. That's pretty strong, actually. Maybe that's the secret sauce. That's really strong. Wow. I think I got it. Ugh, that broke off. Let me... Well, it's not going to break off because once I get all the other posts anchored, it's not going to break off. I guarantee you that. I just need to make sure that's strong enough if I put it on, though. I think it will be, actually. I mean, that was pretty good. It just needs to hold the black thing in place. I think I'll be good, actually. So I think what I might do is just put this on and then take it off and redo it, because this thing is kind of cruddy now. I mean, if I do it like this, I think it's good. Let me see. Should I try it with this one? Yeah, might as well. I'll just redo it if I have to. Anyways, so let's just go with it and see how it goes. I think it's going to be good. Clean up. Alright, clean up. Alright, let's see if I burnt my other connector now. Alright, you know what? Let's test this first. Okay, so that's pretty good. I mean, the posts aren't moving at the end, you know. So that's pretty strong. Yep. Anyways, if he complains, he gets a 90-day warranty. And that is that. So let's see if I burnt up my other connector now. So I put Kapton on it. Then I got foil on it. And then I got Kapton below it so that the foil doesn't burn the Kapton. And let me just do this. Not only that, but the foil is sticky, so you don't want to leave sticky shit all over. Hey, let's see. Is that a success or no? Let me see. Let's zoom in here. It's not bad at all. Let's see. Yep, that's good. That's good. I think we're solid, man. So I think that might be my new way of doing things. Let me get all this junk out, man. Well, I think we're good. Let's look at these joints here. Alright, well. Alright. That's it. I'm going to test it, and if it works, I'm not coming back. If it doesn't work, I will come back.